Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the 12 apps that you can use to make money every single day. These apps work on Android and Apple, so you don't have to worry about that. Either phone is work fine. Before we get into the channel, just subscribe to my channel guys. My channel is up new channels, very small channel. I'm growing every single day. I'm gonna show you money making ideas and motivations, all lot of video. I will upload 3 videos per week. Please guys, show your support and subscribe and watch it 5 minutes of my video. If you don't like it, dislike my video and you can cancel it or go away, watch something else, but give me 5 minutes and I'm gonna show you the 12 apps that you can use to make money online every single day. The first one is I'm already talked about in previous videos. It's called Swapbucks. Swapbucks is a survey and you can make money by doing surveys. You can make money by watching videos. You can make money by playing video games, and you can make money by doing shopping. At the moment I'm not using the Swapbucks anymore because I have a I had to make YouTube videos and I had to grow my Instagram pages and eBay and anything, so I'm not spending more time on here. But you can still, if you can spend a little bit of time collecting SP points or Swapbuck points, if you collect it, and you can withdraw that points using PayPal. So basically, if you go to the rewards section, if you type redeem swag points, it will take you to the page that you can see. For the PayPal cash out for £10 you need 1,450 swag points. Some of the survey pay you 60-70. if you complete offers, that will pay you up to 1,000 points, and if you watch videos, that will pay around 5 SP points. So you can redeem it, and you can redeem it for PayPal or your favorite gift card, or you can donate to the charity. If you are philanthropist or if you want to do charity work, you can donate money to charity. The second one is called My Points. It's again like a Swapbucks. It's a saving site, and if you come down to the bottom, it will show you can make money by watching videos, surveys and game and email. Basically read email and visit our partners and earn 5 points. Each point, if you gather up the points, then you can withdraw using PayPal cash and or gift card. And this site is it's not a scam because they already paid 236 million in gift card and PayPal cash to the customers, and it's trusted by all these names. They can't just scam you guys. This is a perfect site that you can make money while you have a free time. And third one is my favorite. I'm going to use it and I will make a video in the future. It's called acorns.com. It's like an investment app or cashback app. You can invest money using this app and you can get cashback using this app. But this app is not complicated, so they basically roundup. Basically roundup is, if you buy a coffee for $4.50, they round up near to the dollars. I mean $5. So they invest 50 cents. They take 50 cents out of your bank and invest into the investment you pick, like a stock or real estate, whatever you can do. The money box is the one of the site I'm using. I will make a video in the future. I already invested about $200 on this. I will make a video about on coming weeks, but it's a similar to this one. But if you come here, basically you can go to the top. You can click invest. I will take you to the page that you can get more investment about investment. So basically they invest 5 minutes automatically build up around 1 billion invested already. And you can spend it. You can spend the money that you invest. Basically, for example, account is spent only checking your account by the debit card or save and earn and invest. Okay, if you connect like a Google Pay, you can connect to this card and they will manage your money. Okay, you can get more information about this. I will get to I introduced the website from one of my friend about 1 week ago. I'm doing some research. When I do, I will make a video of that. Also, you can earn If you click this button, you can earn money from cashback. If you do shopping on these sites like Airbnb or coupons on the Walmart, you can get cashback from them, guys. Okay, this is the favorite website for investment and to earn cashback. The fourth one is also the favorite site is worthy.Bonds.com. Basically, you can buy a bonds and also you can get annual interest on the bond. You can minimum as a $10 a bond. Okay, you can buy a bond for $10 and they will give 5% interest in annual. So basically, if you buy a bond for $10, you get 50 cents at the end of the year. But if you come to the bottom of the page, so for example, fixed 5% interest, a minimum investment is $10 in interest credit daily, a 36-month term, and open to all US investors. I'm not sure about the UK. I will check on it, guys, and portfolio diversifier. So if we come down to the bottom, if we invest $100, you get $5 in annual as a credit for 1 year. If you go to the 2 years, that's $10, and we go to the 3 years and $15. So for example, you are ready to invest $500. Say for example, you want have a $500 in your bank account, you want to buy a bond for $500. For first year, you get $25 as your interest. For second year, you get 50, and the third year 75. You can withdraw, you can sell your bond anytime you want. There's no fixed period or anything. Even though within the 1 year period you can sell it, but you can't get that full amount. For example, for the 1 year is 25. If you want to sell it in 6 months, you get half of the $12.50, and you can sell your bonds. So this is the favorite side. You can buy a bond for your space change. If you can save $1 per day in a month, you can save up to $30. You can buy a $30 worth of bond for a month. If you acclimate every single month, and you can make pretty good interest from those bonds, guys. So the fourth one is Worthy Bond. Go and check it out, this website. And the fifth one is Surveyonthego. Is again basically on the survey site. You do survey, you collect the points, and you can withdraw it. This app available in both Apple Store and Google, so Android. So you can make them. It's nothing much. Only do the survey, and you can get paid. So for example, you can find it here. You can do the survey, and you can find. So you can redeem the points and get paid instantly. This is the fifth one. I will talk about here, and this one is which one is in 3. This is sixth app is Google Opinion Report. This site not going to pay you that much, and you can eligible to do one survey per day, and you can make less than 50 cents per service. It's depend on the Google, because when you in a Google, if you have an Android phone, if you enable the location, so it will track down where you go, which shopping center you went, or which shop you went, or they get information, and in the end of the day they ask a particular question about the store. If you answer, you can get 20 cents or 40 cents. Right now I made around 11 cents, $11 or £11, and I already have a $3 to withdraw. $3 or £3. I will check it out. I'll put the screenshot in your page. You can see £3 and 23 cents I can withdraw right now. I can't withdraw this money. I can use it to spend on Google Store. Basically, I buy movies from the Google Store. So the seventh one is called iPoll. Is again, it's a survey site similar to the Swagbugs or the Surveyonthego. It's pretty good, work the same way. You can answer survey questions, and you can use the PayPal to withdraw or gift card. But this survey site is good because it works in most of the countries. Some people on my comment section ask about India or Pakistan. So again, you can, if you are from these countries, you can use iPoll.com to do the surveys. And eighth one is called Sweatcoin. Basically, it's an app that track your every single step you walk out. It will connect with your GPS account. So every time you walk, they measure the number of steps. If you walk inside the house, they don't calculate, but if you do more outside the house, they will count every single step. The minimum amount you can make is 5 sweatcoin per day for 5,000 steps. That's all you can make. Even though you walk to 10,000 steps, you're only able to make 5 sweatcoin per day. You can collect those coins and you can buy exchange it for offers. So they in a page they put offers, so you can buy it like a subscription box for 20 sweatcoins per month. For first month you can buy it, you can test it out those product, but you can do cash withdrawal. In order to do that, you need 1,000 cash withdrawals. You need at least 20,000 sweatcoins, but it's gonna take more than 2 years to earn that points. But if you want, you can use it, but cash withdrawal in sweatcoin is impossible. But you can exchange the offers for product like this. Right now, Sweatcoin do starter box for Jimmy Joy. It's about healthy related product. So you can buy this product for 500 sweatcoin for today. The ninth one called is deculter.com. Basically, it's like an alternative eBay that you can sell DVDs, sell books, sell your phones, and sell tech and Lego and or other stuff. Basically, it's like an eBay, but a little bit different. So, for example, we go to them, sell books and sell textbook. I will take you to the page where all the people are selling textbook. So you can scan the barcode and basically scan the barcode, send it. They test the book condition of the books, and they will pay you out. But it's alternate eBay, but you are not dealing with the customers. They are dealing with the deculture team directly. So you scan the product, send it to them, they test the product, and they give the money when you are negotiated, or if they reduce the amount if the product has a damage or something like that. I will cover this website. I already covered this website on my previous video, where you can sell your smartphones, used phones, for money. So you can use this site to sell your old smartphones, books, DVDs, Legos, and all sort of other things, guys. The 10th website is called Upwork, and the 11th website is called Fiverr. It's a more thing. It's a freelancer website. Just so you can ask me, this is it's not app. This is actually an app. Basically, you can install this app in your mobile phone. You can monitor your work. Basically, you can do everything what you do in your computers. You can use the smartphone to do it. Start with this basic skill you have and publish it, and you can manage your orders, your freelance work using your smartphones. Okay, you can do writing job, or you can do graphic design, sales marketing, all sort of things. If you have a skill, you can use it. If you don't have any skill, you can go to the website like Udemy or Skillshare to develop the skills, and you can offer this service here. And the 12th one, my favorite one I'm using right now, is called Kumi. Basically, the Kumi is like a service site, but it's much more. Why I'm saying much more is I will sign up and show you that how much I withdraw right now. So basically, they do surveys. You can make money by doing surveys. They pay more than 50 cents, maybe sometimes £1 or 150, and you can get complete offers and get these amounts. And if you go to my order history or reward history, you can see that total cash out I made around $200, and total earning is 230. So because I had to withdraw this, I made around yesterday I made around £10. So it's pretty much you can earn money from this. Also, you can make money by your own Kumi by searching on Google, Amazon, and eBay. So for example, if I type in Legos, it will open the offers from Kumi. For example, these ones. Sometimes these are the voucher code you can use in this website. Sometimes they will pay 5 and 4 cents to get the traffic to those websites. So you can use this website to make money by answering survey questions, or you can search on eBay or Google or Amazon. You can make up to 5 cents per search. Thanks guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. I will make videos like this and more other videos, 3 videos per week. So if you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. I also gonna do the live stream, for continuous live stream, so you can ask a question. I'm not going to be there, but sometime I'll be there, so I can answer your questions. And there's a 3 giveaway when we reach our 1000 subscriber mark. The $100 giveaway for first person, and the 60 and the 25 for second and third. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you guys.